In this video, we are going to learn how we can write the professional emails in Copilot. So if you're using the Chrome browser, what you can do is just directly write here the prompt and it will generate the results for you. But if you want to save even more time, you need to use the Microsoft product, and the Microsoft browser is Microsoft Edge, which is offered by default if you're using Windows. So I'll go to Edge browser, and from here on the top, you can see this little sign in the corner, which is of Copilot. So what you can do is just directly go to Compose. Now you can quickly write your professional emails here. You have the option to set the tone, whether it's professional, casual, funny, informational. In whatever form you want to write your email, you can choose the tone accordingly. Then also you can set the format, whether it's email, ideas, blog post, or paragraph. So it will generate all the content in that. You can also set the length, which is short, medium, long, and you will get all the previews right here at the bottom. So let's write an email. Let's say I want to write an email in response for job interview call. So this would be professional, and I want to send the email and it should be a short response. So let's generate the draft. So as you can see, it's pretty concise, and it says, "Dear hiring manager, thank you for extending the invitation of the job interview. I'm thrilled at the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experience align with the needs of your team. Please let me know the suitable date and time for the interview, as well as any documents and materials would be required to bring the document." So as you can see that it is such a nice email, and it's of a short length that we easily generated it from the Microsoft Copilot. Now let's say if I convert it into paragraph and generate this, it will show you some different information. Also, it's changing the wording accordingly. So when you successfully generate the results and you want to just copy this, you can copy it right from here. Now, if you want to completely refresh this, what you can do is use the refresh option from the top area here. And now I can go to Compose and again write anything. So now I want to write this command. I'll just copy and paste the command here. So for example, this, I have just taken an example that I want to generate a gentle reminder to the client for the payment due, and they need to pay in 15 days. I want to indicate them as well. So I want to be professional, and it should be an email, and it should be a very short reminder, or let's say a medium reminder. So if this looks too long, you can make it short and generate again, and it has generated this reminder. So as you can see that it not only indicate that the payment is due in 15 days, it has written the email pretty professionally, and you can simply copy and paste it to use it for your work. Now, for example, I want to write an email to set a meeting to discuss about the Microsoft Office 365 course, and the date I want to decide is, let's say 30th of August 2024. So I'll write the command something like this. So I've written here a command, and let's say that the command is lengthy. So what you can do is you can just go to the corner and extend the size of it. Now I can properly see the command, and the command says generate a reminder email for upcoming training on Microsoft 365, and I want to remind it to Mr. Smith, the trainer, for upcoming training on Microsoft 365 for the client named ECS at 30th August 2024. And I want to ask him to respond. If you want to correct the spelling, you can correct it from here directly on your WhatsApp number to discuss further. And I have also mentioned my WhatsApp number. Now let's see how it accommodates all the dates, all the numbers in the professional email. I want to be professional, and I want to set a medium length for it, and let's generate the draft. So let's extend it here. So have a look how he has written the subject. It's pretty amazing. "Dear Mr. Smith, I hope this message finds you well." And you can see all the details here. It looks very professional, and it has communicated all the message successfully. So what we can do is, after that, we can just copy this or regenerate the response if we want to change something. If you want to generate some more ideas, just adjust this according to your company details and you are good to go. So that's it, guys. This is how you can write the professional emails with the support of Copilot. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.